Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making delicious blueberry scones. I will list all the ingredients in the description box below for easy access as always. So let's get started. In a bowl, I have my flour. To that, I will be adding some baking powder, some sugar, and I'll also add some baking soda. I'll mix all the dry ingredients together and set them aside. In a cup of milk, I'll add 1 whole egg and mix it together nicely until it is well combined. I will also be using 1 stick of butter. You can use any butter of your choice. I'll just chop this into cubes and I'll be adding it to my dry ingredients. I'm just going to try to use my hand. You can use a pastry cutter or anything that you have to mix or to incorporate the butter into the flour. I added my washed fresh blueberries. Now I'll be adding the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and beat until it is all done. After everything, I'll be transferring this onto my working surface. I'm just going to try to flatten this into a round shape and I'll fold it over once to get about 1 inch thickness. It is okay to get some of the blueberries broken or mashed during this process. And you can also just flatten it once without folding it over and just cut into wedges. After this point, I'm just going to flatten it to a round shape and I will be cutting it into wedges. You can also cut this into any shape of your choice. I will be egg washing this with some egg and some milk, and you can also add a sprinkle of sugar on top for a little bit added of sweetness. And I will be baking these in a preheated oven at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. These were so good, the taste amazing, flaky and melt in your mouth, and it is just very easy to make. This is a crowd pulling pastries that will make everybody happy at your parties, at your dinner, or wherever you would like to have this. I serve this with my peach drink that I will be sharing with you in the future as well. And they were amazing. You can have this for breakfast, you can have it for a snack. Whenever time you will prefer these are so perfect. If you like this simple recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.